Good morning, everyone. Let me take you behind the scenes of what quarantine has been like for us. I make myself a matcha latte and get the week started with a to-do list. Meanwhile, Vincent does this all day, for 8 hours. My days are a mix between taking thumbnail photos, filming, and more filming.
Okay, ever since Corona time started, I've been just sitting here making music. That's all I do after work, and it brings me so much joy. So let me show you how I get that done. It's the Vincent Show. It's the Vincent Show. I'm not Janet.
I take and edit my own photos to get the perfect thumbnail for my YouTube videos.
I'm Vincent. It's the Vincent Show. Kapow! On the table, I have over there a Zoom Live Track L8, which is what I use for the podcast. Oh, yeah. We have a AC15, which is mine. That's Janet's AC10. That's my AC15. And this over here, my beautiful guitar, my Les Paul. 1991 Les Paul Studio. Basically as old as me. So this guitar and I are about 29 years old.
Meanwhile, I personally pack apparel orders whenever I get them. I still draw a custom doodle on each package as often as I can. It does take a lot of time out of my day, so I won't be able to do it forever. Whenever I get an order through the online store, it always makes my day. Taking the time to pack orders myself really allows me to think about my supporters. Thank you everyone out there who helps support this channel and what I do.
So let's get started. I pretty much written out the song over here. It took me about a night or so, couple nights, maybe a couple days, but let's make a song.
Once I get all that work done, I can finally get some drawing in. Recently, I've been ideating in my sketchbook a lot. Many of these sketches I end up turning into prints or apparel designs. Today, I'm using this neat multicolored pencil. I've never used this tool before, so I make sure to test it out a bit first.
So, first, gotta start with a beat. It's like the skeleton of the song, right? So, what I have here, the TR-08, the beat maker, they say. One of the great ones, they say. Who says? I don't know. But, this great machine, it makes beats. You wanna hear the beat that we're gonna use? It goes like this. Boom. Rewind. Yeah, I pretty much programmed the beat already. One of these days I'll show you how I do that, but it takes a while. It takes like 30 minutes. I'm not like the best at it yet. I've seen, older cats do it. They just tap the beat, tap, 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 and the beat's already done. I'm not like that yet. I just have to sit there and program each beat one by one. Here's where the bass drum goes. Here's where the snare goes. Here's where all of it goes. Now all we gotta do is play on top of it.
After browsing Pinterest for a bit to figure out what to draw, I decided on doing a portrait study. I carefully lay in the basic shapes first. I really loved how the pencil would change color naturally as I drew and adjusted my grip.
That was the one, I think. But let me listen. Rhythm track done.
Once the lay-in is done, I start rendering the face. I take my time building up the textures. Occasionally, I turn the pencil to get a different color. Sometimes I'd sharpen the pencil to get a specific color, like the red for the cheeks.
So, next is the bass. But since we don't have a bass right now, we only have a guitar. Never fear, there's a guitar pedal that turns your guitar into a bass. The Pog pedal. All right, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. We'll just see how it goes. Enough planning. Janet does all the planning. Ha! Who needs that? I don't need that shit.
My plan for the sketchbook spread was to juxtapose graphic, cartoony characters with this realistic portrait.
Okay, do I know how to play piano? Of course not! Let's just have some fun. Let's see what we can make up. We did it! Now I can eat! Boom! Baby! Woo!
Eventually, I started taking out some of my frustrations out on the sketch. I drew some familiar cartoon characters, but not exactly in the most kid-friendly way.
Okay, finished having dinner. Oh, it was so good. I had a beef bowl. It was awesome. I will start doing lyric. I've been more than I could chew today. Time stood still as I wasted away.
I add some final touches to this piece and call it a day.
Now I'm just gonna do lead parts and guitar 2 parts. So I'm gonna go enjoy myself and enjoy me enjoying myself. Last channel, baby. These are all the channels I got left.